Hello guys, we are the Tripods and আমি অঙ্কিতা, আমি কথা।
আর আমি প্রথম।
Let's start the review. আজকে কোথা থেকে এনেছি আমরা?
সো আজকের খাবারটা এসছে বার্গার্স অ্যান্ড ফ্রাইড থেকে। দিস ইজ সিচুয়েটেড নিয়ার গড়ফা, ক্লিয়ারলি অ্যাভেলেবল ইন জোম্যাটো অ্যান্ড সুইগি। আমরা লিঙ্ক ডেসক্রিপশনে দিয়ে দেবো। সো ইফ ইউ ওয়ান্ট টু অর্ডার ফ্রম দেয়ার you can just go to the link, click it and you can order from it.
So we have wraps, one wrap, one Mexican zinger burger.
And one saucy.
Oh, show them.
Maybe the chicken saucy wings.
The chicken saucy wings. Let's see how is it. কে বড়টা নেবে?
না আমি ছোট, আমি বড়টা।
প্রত্যেকবার ছোট বলে তুই এরকম ভাবে বলতে পারিস না।
Cheers.
Ready? Smells quite good. Cheers. Pan fried momo মতো লাগছে। So দেখা যাক একটা জেনারিক সস দিয়ে বানিয়েছে কিনা।
Pretty crisp.
It's tangy. I love it. Tangy.
Actually,
almost tastes like
sauce
ये वाला ना pan fried momo
yeah.
type से taste.
but sauce ডোবানোর পরেও একটা ক্রিপসটা আছে। It's quite good.
But yeah, the chicken is not dry, which is the best part. It's pretty juicy. আর ওরা তোর উপর দিয়ে একটা আর্বের ইয়ে করেছে after serving. You can see that it's herb or pepper, I can't tell, but it's really good. এটা তো অনেকটা তোর ওয়ামোমোর যে pan fried এর the sauce you get, it's kind of like that. It doesn't make it soggy. So good. It doesn't make it soggy, but it's really good. You should try it.
Really one of the dish you should try from Burgers and Fries.
Yeah, agreed. Okay, so it was really good. There were 4 pieces.
And
You can have it
at a
with
price
snacks
of
or anytime. At the price
it
of
was priced at 90, so at a price of having 4 big pieces and this tasty, I think it's clearly worth it.
we are going to give points. এবার আমাদের পয়েন্ট সিস্টেমটা হবে হচ্ছে points out of 5 pots. Sure, yeah. 5 pots because we are pretty organic out here. And
So many pots.
secondly, you know
So many
why.
pots.
know why
Not agreed.
So
Yeah.
give me your points and the reason behind it.
I think I'll be giving 4 pots because at 4 pieces at 90 rupees, such big, and we know that some days back it was a tough time for these people. So I think it's the quantity is good according to the and the quality.
Right. Support local companies. Support local companies.
Go ask money.
Okay.
Are you? How much points are you gonna give?
I'll give them a 4.5.
Nice.
Pretty high because usually, as you know, the chicken should be like drenched overnight in some sort of liquid. Maybe it's buttermilk or water with some salt. So this was very moist. So I think that they actually did that. They made sure that the inside of it is not dry, which most of the cases they are. So I really like the effort they put in, and the outer covering has also, like, after the sauce you can get like a hint of oregano and thyme and other mixed herbs. So 90 rupees, as he said, it's a really good bargain. So I really like it.
Well, I will give it a 3.
Oh,
3 pots out of 5. Because, what should I say? I liked it, but the sauce I get, they can do a bit of more work. It's more like ketchup-y. They can add more flavor to it.
Yeah.
But yeah, all the points that they have said, it's absolutely true. The amount, the 4 chicken wings like this and sorted in
Price.
sauce at only 90 rupees is also worth it. And also, I guess they shouldn't but they might increase the price, but they shouldn't because it's really nice. But still, it is the 3 because of the sauce. I think they can work hard on sauce.
You want it not to be more, not to be generic.
Actually, the
it
sauce
shouldn't be
is
like
like-
ketchupy. You
Sauce,
can give it
like
some
the sauce
more.
tastes more like pan fried momo
Right.
have
It is kind of the
at
same.
any other place.
Yeah.
It's kind of same.
But again, like
But,
this,
yeah.
a chicken wing like this is pretty nice in this
Pretty
price.
Agree.
So let's
move
move
on.
on.
Move on.
Moving on
I can't
to
wait.
the wrap or the Zinger burger.
Wrap. Bigger burger.
Okay.
I was towards burger. So
Burger. Burger. Burger.
Brigade.
Okay, burger.
You
Let's
start. You start.
Okay, should we do something very sacrilegious? You're going to open the bun and see what's inside.
okay.
Let's do it. Really sorry for
You
the
can
sake of
do
it.
it. We have to do it.
Okay. You're opening it up.
Ooh.
Come on.
That's pretty nice.
That's Mexican.
See, we can see the chicken and a lot of pickles and jalapeno. Right? This is going to be good.
Cheese.
A la Mexicana.
The mayonnaise.
So we have the probably an American cheese here, or and then
I think that's chili sauce.
ha.
Chili cheese. Sorry.
Let's just eat it, shall we?
Yeah, let's just go.
Sesame bun. Let's do it.
The buns are pretty thick.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
Let's
Hey
start.
yo.
As you can see, I had to try. Okay.
Onions.
There are onions. There's meat.
You don't eat at all.
Yeah.
Correct.
Curtsies.
Sister.
Actually,
But I guess we
this
will
is the
get
zinger.
it.
So,
How much
I think
is
we
this
got-
price?
I think it's 120. I gotta check it again.
Let us go. Let us go. I don't
Take it from the middle.
मिडिल से कैसे बैठ करेंगे यार?
You gotta work out on your.
The patty is crispy.
The guy is juicy.
It's not soggy, which is amazing. They are doing good things with the chicken. That I can tell.
Absolutely
The
correct.
buns are tried. It's a generic bun. They are not making their own buns for 120 rupees naturally. But they could have added like a butter wash on the top to
Just
make
to
it
soften it.
Yeah, to soften it, just to enhance the flavor a bit more. It's really good burger. It's a really good burger.
I personally think the thing with what they have done with the zinger patty is really good. Coming to the points, to the
Okay,
pots.
the points. The pots. The pots here.
You start. You have the first bite.
Yeah. Out of 5 pots, I'll be giving it 3.5. Again, people will kill me right over here, I guess. But it's 3.5 because of the bun. They can soften the bun. And also, the patty is pretty good. I like it. I am more like a cheese person, so they can add a little bit more cheese. Rest, I like it. And always there will be a space to improve more. But yeah, the price was
120.
120 and a zinger burger. I guess if you have it during a tiffin, during
Snacks.
I won't
As
say
in
breakfast,
snack- As in snacks. it's
evening
enough.
snacks. It's enough to fill your stomach. Were they going to say feet? Whatever. So next, kotha.
Yeah. So I'll give it a 3. The burger competition is, as we know, really steep right now. It ticks all the boxes. It's a Mexican burger. We have a lot of tang, a lot of vinegar going on, pickled stuff going on. The onions provide a good crunch, but I am the girl who puts onion over the patty, not under it. So I got a point for that. And sorry.
It's alright.
And they could improve on the bun. Just add a little more butter, say maybe a garlic butter toast. Just ऊपर दिए जो दिए तो दिएगा. It's perfectly fine.
Yep. Great. now Pratham.
Maybe I'll be giving 3.5 points because I think there's no I didn't found any lacking or any like points to cut from the filling, the zinger, the toppings, the jalapenos, the onions,
And
they were
on in
fresh.
quantity. Vishal,
They were
on in
fresh.
quantity or alcohol.
On in
So you
quantity
cannot
ছিল।
complain that it DH on
The
it.
zinger, even the zinger at this price, what the size was great, the crisp was great, the chicken was great, but I'll cut points for the bun. They can truly do better with the buns. There are burgers out there we'll be doing in our channel which offer fresh buns. So yeah, they can do great with the bun.
Yeah, they can- It's very simple. If they just add a little bit of butter
If
and
they
just
toast
soften
it,
it,
yeah, the
then
soften-
only it will change the entire
bun was-
texture. It
the
won't
bun was a
bind
bit
your mouth.
dry and it
But
felt
as soon
bad
as
in the mouth.
as you
The
get the patty,
patty.
it also like
You will forget about the bun.
it will become a balance. It will create a balance. So
If you have siblings, I'll suggest you leave the buns for them. Have the zinger.
no.
Have the zinger.
What is this? Whatever. Let's
The
move
last
on.
The last one, the wrap. The chicken strip wrap.
Chicken strip wrap.
So basically, they have the chicken strips.
Okay, as you can see, there are chicken strips inside which are pretty big. It's like from here to here. No, there are two strips. I can see
Yeah,
two strips.
This
It
is my
has two
hand.
strips.
This is my hand. This is the size. Compare.
Okay, pretty big hand.
It's like a pump.
Okay, his.
It's my pump.
Well, we can't measure it like that, but these are very pretty big strips out there. There are two strips, chicken strips, a lot of mayonnaise, and I don't know what else. We need to bite it and dig in, and we need to understand. So this one, I guess, Bhai is going to start. I mean, Pratham is going to start. একটু ছোট বাইট নিয়ে তুই শেষ করে দিবি।
No, no, no,
Nom 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 nom.
You can right to decide to eat it at the last.
I know.
This is so
It's
good.
just, man, how can it be so good? The wrap is so soft. It doesn't. The wrap is so soft and it is filled with onions, mayonnaise, and the strip is so good. I mean,
Oh my god.
my God. I give a 5 points. I straight away give a 5 points.
Very nice.
No.
Good idea.
Raju.
It's really good.
Jada
My
ki
first
gure.
bite, it was chicken strips, lot of mayonnaise and I guess cheese.
I'll talk later.
Yes. And then sauce. হ্যাঁ শেষ করে দে আমার জন্য রাখিসই না। And what is this? Bread?
No.
Pita bread or roti?
This is flatbread. This flatbread.
Let the
Completely.
Gyan Chand finish. আচ্ছা যতক্ষণ ফিনিশ করছে আমি স্টার্ট করি। এই পুরোটা আমার হ্যাঁ।
You got the onions right now. The onions are just massive and fresh.
I need some time.
The aura.
This is quite an experience, not gonna lie. They knocked it out of the park.
I think 100 rupees for this one is very less according to that quality and the taste and the quantity, very less.
Do not
But
underestimate.
Don't increase the price.
Do not underestimate the size of this thing. It's loaded.
And another thing, do not underestimate a cafe or a place by its name
By
and
just
the
its
way it
name
looks
and
everything.
its looks. It's
I mean, KFC says it's so good. Burger and fries, so good.
So
KFC पे you'll get like the same things. This is like there's the depth of flavors. Okay, that wrap, the flatbread was amazingly soft. The sauce inside was like some sort of mayo with a little bit of hint of amazing tanginess with hints of spice. थोड़ा सा it's very mild.
Yeah, it's very
I think
mild.
it
For
was
people who cannot
something
eat spice
chili.
but like the flavor
Yeah.
halka sa, you
And
can
then
have it.
it's for you.
The person who likes tangy, you can have it. The person who likes chicken, you can have it.
A person who likes loaded wraps definitely
have
have
It's
it.
a good genuine wrap. The chicken strips are crunchy, it's juicy. As we have said, they are doing good things with the chicken.
Yeah.
This is hands down a very good thing that they are
And
doing
I think
with
the
chicken.
difference between a roll and this chicken strip wrap is in roll there are places where you will give a bite and you will not find pieces of chicken, but here throughout the wrap you will find chicken.
And
That's the best thing.
they're using onions. No, the onions are not red onions. They're like white onions, which are sweeter and crunchier. Like not crunchier, but sweeter.
Crispy.
So it won't give you that charge, but it will give you that
And
freshness.
also another thing, they are sorting the chicken, crispy chicken with sauce, but the crispy chickens are crispy.
No,
They're
no,
not
no,
like
no, no.
they're not soggy.
They are not soggy.
না না আমি বলছি যেটাই করছে মানে সস দিয়ে কি
Like,
হয় কোনো ক্রিস্পের উপর
sauce
দিয়ে যদি
দিলে
লিকুইড
ওটা
কিছু
ভিজে
দিস
যায় আর
ওটা ভিজে
crisp-
সগি হয়ে যায়
soggy.
ইটস নট সগি ইটস লাইক
definitely
দ্য
crispy.
ওয়ে ইউ ওয়ান্ট
So,
টু
have
হ্যাভ
it.
ইট
Who had it first?
ভাই
How many pots?
Five pots. Undoubtedly.
fine okay I'll still give it a 4 pot there's always space to like to do better
No.
they can add oregano maybe some kind
No,
of
No,
anything
no.
more will ruin
Anything more, anything
so
less,
well
will
balanced.
just ruin
it.
it.
It's so well balanced.
Very well balanced.
No, actually, back in my mind, I've always had shawarma, right? So, oh
my God,
माथा
it's a
लेके
totally
जाए. I know
different
this is
genre.
total different, but still like, কি বলবো?
I
যে-
cannot believe this. I
you know,
cannot.
more
I
spice.
veto. I cannot.
So I give a
it's
5
four.
pots.
It's 4 pot. अच्छा 4.5 চাপ 4.5 pot. better
Ah,
than জন্য
4 pot.
রাখতেই পারি
Yeah,
আর come
yeah.
on. আরো better
Maybe
করতে
the
পারি।
price, they can just lower the price and or
How much lower do you want it to be, yaar?
The chicken strips are real long.
Oh yeah.
They're real long.
chicken strips.
And also this is also a very heavy one. We have had one, we have divided between us. If
This
you
is
have one,
enough for one
Yeah,
kilo.
absolutely.
it's gonna fill your stomach. Hands down, it's
Definitely.
gonna fill your stomach.
It's definitely gonna fill your stomach.
So guys, let's
Wrap it up.
Wrap it up.
We wrapped up with the wrap.
Yeah, we
Yes,
are
we
wrapping
did.
up with a wrap.
we have all the details down in the description box, and we'll also pin the comment with all the details. You'll go to the comment section and find it. So if you want to find the store, you'll find it there. If you want to find our personal bios, you'll find it there. And if you want to see more of us, like us if you like it.
Yes, do not forget to subscribe, guys.
Like
Thank
it if
you.
you like us.
And we are coming back really, really soon.
Bye.
Tripods.
Tripods.